Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to make a hole in a shape. So we have this example basic shape, like I will insert box objects. And if you want to make holes with these objects, polygons, okay, you can create here in the top of this box objects. And the next I will scale, can increase for the height of this polygon, and you can insert to center points by using these align tools. Okay, we'll insert to center point and then move to the bottom here. So if you want to create holes, you can change these polygons into hole, and then you can select the two objects. You can use these group tools, union groups, to create hole like this. So I will create again like using these roof tools. I will create in this face. And you can resize, change for height. Okay, you can click here. Like I will set into 20 for length. And then you can move the objects into these points. It's just for the example. Okay, like this. And then you can change the objects to hole, and you can connect between these two objects by using this union group. So it be create or cut the objects. Okay, that's it for a basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to make a hole in a shape.